subscribe. We do this shit, y'all.
20.
Counting my money slowly. Just bought a rollie. I've been smoking so many stogies. I'm done.
Alright, so we're gonna go inside the coffee machine, National 673. And I'm gonna show you how to load it, stuff like that. So, let's see here. If there's no errors, meaning everything functioning properly, so we ain't gotta worry about none of that. I think I gotta refill the cups. But test, this is how you test your prices, test your columns, and test your motors and sensors. So this is the cup tester right here. So we're gonna press this, and if it's working properly, it should drop a cup. There you go. That's working. That's these. That's what whipped the each mixing. That's what whips each column before it makes the product. So we're gonna test. That's this one. Spinning. These are the two sugar and lightener. This is the two additives, so it ain't gonna do that one. I think it went from A, B to, let me see. Let's see. So in order to clean these whippers, which we about to do right now, you wanna take the suction top off. Grab the whipper, give it a little wiggle. They got a hoses connected to. Untwist the hose, or you can undo it. I'll just untwist the hose. Take this piece out and go wire this piece.
Oh my God!
Do that for all of them going down. This one looked like it was the one that needed it. It's been used.
Yeah.
It's drying out. Yeah, see, this one right here needs to be done. Which is the regular coffee. B.
You need me in.
Oh. That's what the coffee and the water get mixed up. Can't really tell you how it tastes till it cool down. He's sipping it, I'm scared. So if you want to know how to load the cups up, it's a particular type of cup. It's a particular type of cup you gotta order for hot beverage machines, but it's a lever right here on the side. This lever, you're gonna lift back. Make sure you got something to support it because it's coming forward. You can get it out of that. And then come down. Shut it off. And there go all your columns you can load up. We're gonna start loading them up because you can see a few of them can use some, a few of them empty. Make sure you load them upward too, because that's how the coffee cup drop. Keep in mind, it's always going to be real hot over here by this coffee machine because you got a hot water heater right next to you. Hot water tank. See that lid black. Slap that lid back on. to use 8.5s over here and straight 12s. I use them both for 12s, but you can set them for whatever you want. Take the lid off. Check this one. This one can take these. There. There.
Can I get some more from you? Just so in case we run out, I'll plug you. And whenever you get a chance,
The hot chocolate one still look good. I gotta come here, actually, before we test another one. We're gonna clean this serving tray off, which just comes off like that. Hooks right off. I'm gonna go and wipe this down real fast, and I'll be right back. Put that back under here. Make sure that ball's sitting there, because once the water get high enough, this ball is what tells your machine that the waste, it turns off the machine and makes it neat, so you gotta dump the waste barrel. And take out these columns. The first one is the regular coffee, that's A. Wait, no, the first one is the regular coffee, that's A. The second one is the decaf coffee, which is B. The third one is the T. The fourth one is the French vanilla. These two are the additives, sugar and lightning. The next one is the soup, which has to be a broth-based soup. And next one is a French almond, which is a type of instant coffee. And then hot chocolate at the end. We're gonna change these out, clean the whippers, and replace everything and fill up the product.
This is how you test your machine. You go to all flavors. Everything good though. I ain't gonna even lie. I'm gonna drink this.
So back here at the hot water tank, each one of these is your hose hookups for each column. First hose hookup is for the coffee one. Second hose hookup is for the decaf coffee. Third hose hookup, Irish tea. Fourth, and so on all the way down. And you got your light hookup back there. You got your water pump back here, which pumps the water. You can't really see it, it's behind the two coffee columns. But your water pump over there. You got your air duct vent that you can test in your test modes. You got this right here is the brewer. This only responds to the two coffee ones. This brews it, or you can put it to cold brew. It drop down, brew it, and make the coffee for the first and the second one, which is the decaf and the regular. But that's the brew dropper right there. That only works for them too. All the other ones is like solution type of coffees that dissolve in water. But yeah, these don't dissolve in water, so these have to be on a different cycle, which is the brew cycle. And that's your trash bag catching that. Let's see. That's also your hot water tank. Obviously, you gotta be careful back there. It's extremely hot. That's where you get the sweating in, that's all it is. Even watch how you touch it, I can feel it. It's hot. It's hot. I'm gonna let you know it's hot. So, yeah, and your water pump, your hose, make sure you hook up. If you ever get one of these, you're gonna have to hook up a hot water hose, which gotta be rated for at least 100 or more PSIs, rated for 100 or more PSIs, so it don't bust on you. You're gonna have to run that to the hot water heater in order to even be able to run the coffee machine. Once the hot water tank is filled, then you can start playing with the machine. But yeah, that's a little rundown on a little bit of what you gotta know or gonna have to go through with having one of these, maintaining them, loading them, cleaning them. Walking out, you know how we do. Come up out of
Free
there,
chips
still
and
with my
snacks.
guys. Beautiful day.
And we out here fresh to death, boy.
Stop playing
They ain't
with
fucking with us, man.
changing coffee machines with the buttons on.
They ain't fucking with us, man.
Switching out dry products, boy. That's the good thing about the coffee machine. You ain't gotta worry about no spoil, man. Ain't nothing really spoiling. You just gotta make sure you're going in there, cleaning everything, making sure it don't get old and caked up like that. But that's how we do, man. That was a little short, brief rundown on the coffee machine, how a coffee machine works, how to load one, what you gotta worry about, the difference between that and a regular vending machine, man. So until next time when we drop y'all with some more exclusive info, man, y'all be good. We out.
Subscribe. We do this shit, y'all.